everyone, we are Brainiacs and we are participating in Viksit Bharat Buildathon, and our theme is Atmanirbhar Bharat, and our idea is smart stop, low cost auto braking of cars to avoid collision.
Many people lost their precious life because of accidents. Accidents often happen because sometimes drivers cannot react quickly enough when something suddenly appears in front of the vehicle. Our projects aim to solve this problem by building a smart device that automatically applies brake when it detects an obstacle in front of it. We got inspired by ADAS, which is used in modern expensive cars. This ADAS or Advanced Driver Assistance System has three features. Number one is lane assist, number second cruise control, and the third one is automatic braking in case of object in front of these vehicle. But due to ADAS, the cost of vehicle increased by 1 to 2 lakhs. So we have tried to use an important feature of ADAS, that is automatic braking system, in order to avoid the collision in our models.
In our model, we have used 2-gear motors, 4 wheels, IR proximity sensor, single channel relay module, 2 lithium-ion battery, one for giving power to IR proximity sensor and another for 2-gear motor and a switch. So I am now going to explain how it works. When an object comes in front of IR sensor, it sends a signal to the single channel relay module and then it cuts power to the gear motors and then stops. That's how it works. So in our second model, we have used an ultrasonic sensor, 9-volt battery, a lithium-ion battery, Arduino Uno, a on-off switch, 2-gear motors and 4 wheels and a relay module. So when an object comes in front of the ultrasonic sensor, it sends a signal to the Arduino Uno and it cuts power off to the motors and it stops immediately.
We have developed two models to demonstrate this. First is proximity sensor, which detects things when they are close to them without touching them. This proximity sensor is also used in smartphones. Second is based on ultrasonic sensor. This uses a technology based on sonar, that is sound navigation and ranging. Ultrasound is generated by one part of this sensor, which strikes with the object in front and comes back, which is received by the other part of the sensor.
On the basis of time gap between sending the signal and receiving it back, it decides the distance between the car and the object is within collision range. It sends a signal to the relay module. The relay then cuts off the power supply to the car motors, stopping the car immediately, just like applying brakes automatically. In short, object detected, sensor signal, relay off, motor stop. When the obstacle is removed, there is no object, sensor inactive, relay on, motor runs. When the car moves forward and we place an object in the front of the sensor, automatically stop. When the obstacle is removed, the car starts moving again.
This shows how automatic braking system could help to prevent accidents by applying brake immediately. Advantages of our model: first, prevent accidents by reacting faster than humans. Secondly, low cost and easier to build. Third, work automatically without driver's input. The approximate cost of building this prototype is ₹1,600, but in real world only ₹1,000 would be enough to develop and install it in a new as well as pre-owned car. This indigenous system can lower our dependency on imported parts used in ADAS and at the same time help us to make the vehicle more safer by preventing collision. So at last, it definitely can help us to build Atmanirbhar Bharat, and we hope that you like our idea. Thank you.